guys, this is Mukta here. Welcome back to my channel We Are Enchanted. I am back again today with a new project which is for Valentine's Day. Anybody who has seen my recent videos knows that I am in love with the gift boxes, and for some reason I just can't stop making them. So here is another reason why I made a gift box, and it is Valentine's Day. So this is a gift box I made for my husband and I'm really excited to share with you. The paper pack that I have used for this gift box is from Ino Greetings. It is a paper pack called as Blossom. The series is called Blossom. It is the paper pack that I had used some while ago to make a 50th birthday gift box. If you haven't checked out that video, please do see that. This is the same paper pack, and for the center, this one says Happy Valentine's Day. It is a die cut from the paper pack which I just used. It was pretty thin, so I matted it several times, first with a black cardstock, then with a glitter sheet, and then red cardstock. I just added foam dimension in between to add a little dimension and interest to my project. If you see in the center, it says Happy Valentine's Day, together forever. I just hope you guys can see that. This paper is actually gold foiled, so sometimes it is difficult to read with the camera, but with the naked eye you can easily see what is written, but the camera doesn't catch everything. So anyways, so it says together forever, and I added those same words here using sentiment tiles because I am sure it is not very visible in the center. But when I added sentiment tiles, yes, it made sense when it says Happy Valentine's Day, we are going to be together forever. So the butterfly is also from the same paper pack. The rosebuds are from Crafter Corners, so are the white poppies. I love adding rosebuds, that just adds interest to your project, and somehow I just can't stop using them. This flower is from Itsy Bitsy, red one. This is from a local craft store. This is also from a local craft store. I don't know if you can see that. It's a satin rose that I have used. The bottle is a glass bottle which I bought from Itsy Bitsy. I added some sparkle dots, that is also from their store, and I just added silicone glue to the cork and glued it. And the bottle is also glued to the box using silicone glue. The silicone glue from Itsy Bitsy is really good. It holds all of those charms and bottles and flowers and everything in place. The lower part, there is a small little embellishment charm. I don't know if you can see that properly because I don't know, my camera is behaving very stupid. So it's a metal charm that I bought from a local store. I added a little black gesso and rubbed off a little gold powder. This was a normal gold powder that I have used. I think it is from Fevicryl, and I just added that. And there's a red heart that I cut from red cardstock, added little glossy accent and glued it to that. These are the flourishes that I have die cut. The die is from MFT Flourish, and I like using that when I don't want to use leaves, and it adds really something extra to my project, and I'm very happy. And I make sure whenever I make something and I don't want to add leaves, I make sure to add these to my project. So that is about the front. The dimension of this box is 9 1/4 by 5 1/4, and the thickness is around 2 inch. The papers that I have used is the pattern paper from Ino Greeting, black cardstock, and then there is a gold embossed paper. Now this paper was already embossed and it was available such in the store. I bought it from a local craft store, and I just used it. I didn't have to emboss it or do anything. This ribbon is from Itsy Bitsy. I just love their ribbon collection. It is to die for. I just can't get enough of their ribbons. The quality is really good and it is very nice. It doesn't come off or it doesn't get torn or nothing happens, so it is nice. This is how the box looks on the inside. Now on the inside, this box is half an inch smaller on all the sides. So this is 8 3/4 by 4 3/4 of an inch. I just added this paper and gave it a little small line of the pattern paper, and that's about the inside. So this is big enough to add all your gifts and everything that you want for your Valentine's Day. And this is the back side. So that is about this box, and I really hope that you guys like it, and so does my husband because I made it for him. And if you really like my project, you can give me a thumbs up and you can subscribe to my channel for more of work from me. Thank you guys for watching these videos. Bye bye.